Did you know exercise and sleep play an important role when it comes to immunity? Keep watching this video till the end to know more about this. Hello friends, this is Nimisha. Welcome back to my channel Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. In my first video, I mentioned about 3 factors, that is food, sleep and exercise, which help in boosting our immunity. Food factor was discussed in detail in my previous 2 videos. Today I am going to discuss about how sleep and exercise play a major role in boosting our immunity. First, let us understand what does sleep mean and what happens when we sleep.
Sleep is basically a resting state in which our body is not active. Our muscles are relaxed, nervous system is inactive, and our consciousness is practically suspended. Many biological processes happen during sleep. Our brain stores new information, nerve cells communicate and reorganize, supports healthy brain function, body repairs cells, restores energy, and releases hormones and proteins. Sleep is a major time of repair, rebuilding, and processing for your body. A good night's sleep is always important for a healthy immune system.
Not getting enough sleep can negatively impact both on our immune system and emotional balance. According to National Sleep Foundation guidelines, they advise that healthy adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night. Babies, young children and teens need even more sleep to enable their growth and development. People over 65 should also get 7 to 8 hours per night. It is very important to improve the quality of our daily sleep and make it a priority. You can improve your sleep quality by bringing some improvements in your sleep hygiene, which includes sticking to the same sleep schedule every day, even on weekends, practicing a relaxing pre-bed routine to make it easier to fall asleep quickly, choosing a mattress that is supportive and comfortable and outfitting it with quality pillows and bedding, and finally minimizing potential disruptions from light and sound while optimizing your bedroom temperature and aroma. As I said, sleep is a regenerative process for our body. When we are sleep deprived, our natural immune cells, also called as T cells, go down. That is, the production of these cells decreases. So sleeping enough is very important for strengthening your immunity. But in this pandemic situation, most of us are indoors and we tend to spend most of our time on mobile phones and watching TV, and we do not realize how the time passes, which can really hamper our sleep quality and sleep pattern. So it is really advisable to stay away from the digital devices such as mobile phones, TV just before going to bed, and also it is very important to monitor how many hours we sleep daily. So do not forget to sleep well. Now moving to the last and the most important factor, exercise. We all know how important it is to exercise daily, but most of us do not know why and what can exercise do to us. Now let us understand how exercise enhance or help our immune system. Physical exercise has numerous effects on the human body, including the immune system. In short term, exercise helps immune system find and deal with pathogens. In long term, regular exercise slows down changes that happen to the immune system with aging, therefore reducing the risk of infection. Mild to moderate exercise helps to boost the activity of key white blood cells, which helps in improving immunity. Exercise increases your energy levels. It improves your muscle strength by keeping your joints, tendons and ligaments flexible. It improves your brain functions, that is, keeps you active all day. It's also good for your heart as it decreases the blood pressure and all the cholesterol levels like LDL and HDL. It also reduces the risk of getting diabetes or different types of cancers. It enhances your immune system wonderfully. Exercise also helps you sleep better, as the physical activity can make you tired and also make you fall asleep faster. It reduces your stress level, as physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, which make you feel better and more relaxed. This in turn improves your mood and lowers your stress levels. Now let us understand how exercise helps enhance our immune system. Exercise helps to flush bacteria out of the lungs, decreasing your chances of getting a cold, flu or any other illnesses. Indulging in 30 minutes of moderate physical activity is recommended by the professionals. This can include walking, biking, yoga, swimming or other low impact workouts. But due to corona, we are all mostly indoors. So we can indulge in workout sessions such as yoga, aerobics or Tabata. You can find plenty of YouTube videos related to this.
In the current situation, most of us are very lazy to exercise daily and also lack some kind of motivation. So I am going to share some tips which would keep you motivated and also help you to exercise daily. I hope you would love all these tips. So keep watching this video till the end. If dancing is your passion just like mine, then find some online classes which can keep you going just like I did. I joined my online Bharatanatyam classes which really keeps me motivated and also fit too, as I practice my lessons daily when I do not have class. If Zumba and aerobics really interests you, then you can find different YouTube channels where they offer different Zumba moves or aerobic moves. So you can just keep along and follow them. And if all this does not work, then you can just find a partner who would be your family member, your friend or a colleague with whom you can just set a goal or different challenges like 100-day challenge or 50-day challenge or anything that for that matter which suits well for you, so that you can discuss with your partner and you can set a goal and just go along with that. So that can keep you really motivated. Or else you can create a WhatsApp group with a group of friends wherein you can just discuss among your friends and set a time and also exercise daily. So this can really keep you motivated and also keep you going. You can also take help of social media where you can post your different exercise moves, your workout sessions and tag your friends, which can really motivate you. So keep doing this and I hope you would really find some kind of motivation that can help you doing exercise daily. In short, along with good diet, exercise and sleep, it is also very important to have a good mental health because it keeps us healthy. Always think that today would be better than yesterday and have a positive outlook towards our life. So I hope you found this video very helpful and also got to know how important it is to sleep well and exercise regularly. That's all for today. I would come very soon with another interesting video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Until next time, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.